Hey there, all you thrill seekers and Halloween fanatics. It's that time of year again when we trade our beach reads for Stephen King novels and summer reality shows for something scream-worthy. And there's no better place to beat the heat and send a shiver down your spine than today's location. You're tuned into MouseEars TV. I'm Chrissy O, and welcome back to another episode of MouseEars TV, your go-to spot for everything fun and fantastic in the state of Florida. And today, we've got a chilling episode that's sure to give you goosebumps. We're talking about Universal's Halloween Horror Nights 2023. We can't wait to give you a taste of what to expect based on last year's fright-filled extravaganza. So let's start with some ticket talk. Last year, we saw some great options like Scream Early and Frequent Screamers. With the Scream Early Pass, you could enter the park a few hours early, which gave you a head start on all the spine-tingling action. And for you hardcore horror fans, there was the Frequent Screamers option, offering admission to multiple nights of horrific fun. Regardless, there should be multiple purchasing options, but act fast. The days and nights fill up fast. There may also be a special behind-the-scenes tour like they have had before that shines some daylight on how the park thrills its nightly guests. Admission tickets won't be included in that pricing. Next, let's chat about the main attractions. We're talking about blood-curdling scare zones and heart-stopping haunted houses. Last year, Universal brought to life your worst nightmares with unique concepts and some fan favorites like The Walking Dead. We are hearing whispers that suggest we might be seeing Chucky, The Last of Us, and perhaps even an anime-themed haunted house. Anime horror crossover, anyone? Oh, and don't forget about the outdoor scare zones. They transform parts of the park into frightful experiences filled with set pieces, spooky effects, and wandering scare actors that can make even the bravest jump. But Halloween Horror Nights isn't just about the scares, right? Many of Universal's legendary rides stay open during the event, giving you a chance to pair your haunts with high thrills, from Revenge of the Mummy to Escape from Gringotts. Get ready for all the heart-stopping rides. Now, let's not forget about the merch. The Tribute Store, an ever-changing haven for all things Universal, usually gets a horror makeover for the season. Expect exclusive merchandise and eerie decor. And if you get peckish, Halloween Horror Night serves up plenty of ghoulish, good food and drink options. Last year, one of our faves was the pizza fries from Louie's Italian restaurant. Scarily delicious. All right, folks, we're going to wrap this up with some pro tips. Number 1, grab your tickets as soon as they're available. These nights are notorious for selling out. Number 2, prioritize your time. The lines can be long, but oh so worth it. Number 3, and don't forget about Scream Early tickets. Getting in ahead of the crowd might make all the difference. And that's a wrap on our sneak peek into Universal's Halloween Horror Nights 2023. Can't wait to see you there for a night of chills, thrills, and lots of screams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MouseEars TV for more theme park tips, tricks, and tidbits. Until next time, stay spooky.